To enable MMS or multimedia messaging in your iPhone 16 or 17, what you do is open this settings application, go to the bottom and select apps. After that you have to scroll and you will have to look for an option called messages. Open it, and here there is an option multimedia messaging. We have to enable this option. Now in case if you can't enable this option, or if you can't use this option, then there are certain things you have to check. Whenever you are trying to enable or you are trying to use MMS, make sure to enable this cellular data, because MMS works with cellular data and not with Wi-Fi. The next thing that you have to check is you have to check with your carrier if it supports MMS messaging or not. And the other thing that you can do is you can go to settings, general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset network settings. After that enter your passcode, and then you have to check if the MMS messaging works or not. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.